Let us discuss the important questions related to this short story Under the Banyan Tree, and it was written by R.K. Narayan. So, here I am with you having few important questions related to this story. The very first is, how did the villagers look upon Nambi? Okay, or what opinion did the villagers have about Nambi? In brief, that what villagers think of Nambi, or what they regard that Nambi is. So, according to the villagers, they always regarded, because they gave a lot of respect to Nambi, our main character. So, here will be the answer. The villagers, they regarded Nambi as a great enchanter. According to the villagers, or for the villagers, Nambi is not a simple and ordinary character or ordinary person, but he is supposed to be a great enchanter, a great or excellent storyteller. And the villagers, they had a lot of respect for him, and they always believed that he has the favor of goddess Shakti, and that was the reason that he is so good storyteller. Because of the bless of goddess, they respected him and fulfilled his needs of food and clothes. Because all the villagers of Somin village, they always carried a lot of respect for Nambi, and this is the reason that they always prefer to give him all the things, whether it is food or clothes. And they looked upon him as a storehouse of knowledge, because Nambi, he tells good stories to all of them. He keeps entertaining all of them, and this is the reason that he is supposed to be full of knowledge and like to listen to his wonderful stories. So, this will be the answer to this question. Then the next question may be, what do you think of Nambi's divine power? Okay, divine power, as you have been told that all the villagers, they always carried this thinking about him, that he is God gifted or he is blessed by goddess. So, this is the reason that all the villagers, they think that Nambi has a divine power as a storyteller. Nambi was an ordinary person, and he was illiterate, and because he was illiterate, that proves that he has not gone through any kind of book, and which proves that he had read no books, but his gift of storytelling was so extraordinary that it appeared to be a divine gift to all the villagers. Because he was illiterate, and the villagers were known to this fact that he has not read any kind of book to tell them stories. He also encouraged this belief, and Nambi, he himself also believed in this, that this talent has been given to him by the goddess Shakti, or it is blessed. He is blessed by her, that he was gifted by the goddess. So, he was a good storyteller, he was an excellent storyteller, and he has also been regarded as a great enchanter. Therefore, he was a good storyteller with an extraordinary ability to make interesting stories, and his way of narrating the story was quite interesting because of his high imagination, and seemed as a supernatural gift. So, this answer will be sufficient to be written in the exam. The next question, important question is, most important question, that why does the author R.K. Narayan call Nambi as an enchanter, or how can you say that he was an excellent storyteller, he was a good storyteller, or he was an enchanter? Is Nambi an enchanter? How? Discuss. Okay, so language may be changed here. Now the answer will be that no doubt Nambi has been called an enchanter because he has a wonderful talent for storytelling. So, this was the reason, means Nambi is famous for his telling the stories to the villagers, and he always prefers to entertain all of them. He captures the attention of all the villagers, and how he captures their attention? Only because of his storytelling gift. Because of this talent, villagers consider him a miracle performer, as there is a miracle in his voice, as his imagination is so high that it can reach from earth to heaven. So, all the villagers, they find a lot of miracle in the in the performance, so in the narration of the Nambi. An enchanter is a person who delights. Okay, if you are asked that what is enchanter or how can you call that Nambi is an enchanter. So who is an enchanter? An enchanter is a person who delights someone and captures his mind and heart completely with his skill or with his art. And this quality we find in Nambi's narration. So the person's art seems to work like magic on the minds of his audience, and this magic is made by Nambi on the minds, on the heart of the villagers, because villagers are his audience and they are entirely under his control. Okay, so no doubt that we can call Nambi as an enchanter because he has a full control over the mind and heart of the villagers. Nambi keeps the villagers under his disenchantment. Because of his miracle, he makes on them, he makes their dull and boring life as interesting and enjoyable. So now all the villagers, when they get fed up with their boring life, then they go to Nambi and then they enjoy, they are entertained by his stories. So all these were important questions.